Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Claycomo. We're getting ready to make this wall vertical again. It's in really bad shape. Very old home. It's in a lot better shape than this wall right here that is now vertical. We've got these temporary support beams holding it in vertical. My guys are on the outside, getting ready to install our King Pier 2s underneath the footing, holding this wall. Then we're going to come back and we're going to patch all these cracks in here using the King Pier's special recipe of high-strength concrete. It sets up very fast. And then we're going to coat them with NP150 polyurethane. And then we're going to come back over this wall with some steel mesh, staple it to the wall, and then coat it with another more King Pier's recipe of high-strength concrete. And then last but not least, we will come in. We worked hard to get this wall back vertical again. We'll come in here and set a 4-inch H-beam up in between the joists. We'll saw cut the floor, set it on top of the footing. And that will be it. Do the same thing to this wall over here. This is only our third day working out here, so I expect next week this job to be totally wrapped up. All right, King Pier's Claycomo. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. Or you can go to my website, kingpiers.com.